Vampire girls? What's going on? Ah! The
Man blood.
vampire girls? Hurt. Oh, both his legs, yo. This game is just everywhere right now, man. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joel, and today we'll be playing again Resident Evil 8. Now the last video you guys saw, it was pretty intense. I played for hours on end and I didn't know what I was doing, but this time around we're actually going to the castle and we're going to see a lot more, and I can't wait for you guys to see the video. So let's get on to it and start playing. What is going on, bro? I am just a bunch of werewolves. That sounds too promising. Should disaster fall upon the village, seek out the crest. One is carry church, the other was at Luis's house. Okay, the bottom right.
Close the door.
Oh my god, I found her, thank god. Jesus Christ, I found somebody.
What are you doing here? Stay back.
Please, don't hurt us.
Whoa. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just glad to see normal people at last.
Me too.
Have you seen any other survivors?
Me too.
No. They're all in Louisa's house.
Please tell me where's
And
that.
she's not answering and the gate is locked.
Quiet girl. He's an outsider.
Oh. We're sitting ducks in here. Can your old man walk?
No. One of the monsters cut him. He's lost a lot of blood. We have to get into Louisa's house.
Quiet. Must be a way inside. Stay here. Be quiet. And don't move until I get those gates open.
We. It's speaking in French. Oh man, I gotta do it now. There's gotta be something here, baby.
If we don't hurry, they'll...
Guys, I was looking for forever for this freaking spot, man. You're supposed to go back here like before and then go around. I was doing getting attacked by the werewolves on the other side. Anyways, here we are. So now we're here, trying to open up against the gate so we can take care of them. Here's gate right here. Dog, I was getting destroyed. Just do that, bro. Take care of this. I was doing the most.
Come on, it's clear.
Hurry! Hurry!
I was left for no reason, man. Oh my
You
god.
damn.
I've been playing for like almost an hour.
You're
trying to
welcome.
figure this crap out.
He's not used to relying on other people. I'm sorry. We'll be safe in here, won't we?
Safer here than out there, that's for sure. Hey, do you know anything about what's going on around here?
It doesn't make any sense. Mother Miranda has always protected us.
Nobody's answer.
Father? We have to get inside.
Yeah, you don't gotta tell me that. Twice anyway. Alright.
Just hold on a bit longer, Papa.
Alright. Here we go, guys. Maybe another hour of me searching too. I wish it should be easy.
Hello?
There we go.
Anybody home?
Maybe a familiar voice. Louisa! Open up! It's me, Elena!
Stop shouting. You'll draw the monsters.
Julian, calm down.
Who's this?
A friend!
Stay back.
Father! For God's sake, Julian, let us in.
No, they'll smell the blood. You'll endanger us all.
My father will die out here.
But that's not my problem.
What's going on?
These people want to let a dying man into our home.
Come now, these people are our friends. Go on, go inside. Come now, this way. You're not from this village.
No. I'm Ethan.
Julian, go make yourself useful and check the grounds. I said go.
There's a bunch of them out there, man. Just give you a heads up. Keep looking at me like
Well.
that.
If Elena trusts you, then so do I. Come inside, Ethan.
Jesus.
Wait here. I'll check on the others.
Is that a typewriter? Classic Resident Evil, the old school way to save the game. Look at that typewriter. Ah, that's old school. Alright, well. Excuse me.
This way.
What was that about? I was trying to open the door like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Okay.
Come inside. The others are waiting.
Well,
Is this? Outsiders, you're gonna get us all killed.
Quiet. Anton. He helped Leonardo and Elena.
We were doing fine by ourselves.
Please, Ethan. Take a seat.
I just saved you, bro.
Is this all that's left? From your entire village?
All that's left. All that's left? There is no one left! A worthless invalid, a stupid, wailing. And you! You drag a bloody man and an outsider in here like it's nothing? And expect to be all safe? There is no safe! Every sorry bastard out there has been ripped in half. But tomorrow? Tomorrow we'll all be dead. Just like her damn husband. Put a sock in it, Roxana!
That's enough! This house has protected my family for generations. And drunk or not, you are all welcome and safe in here.
Whatever.
You acted like
Can
that. Why don't you
someone
go
please
outside?
tell me what the hell is going on here?
We don't know. One day we were a quiet, devout village, and the next, the monsters came and attacked us. And they kept coming.
Wait, Louisa.
And
Where is your husband? Did they?
no. No, he is out there. Somewhere. He went to get help. Yes, that's it. He went to fetch help.
Let us pray. For him. For all of us.
Good idea. Come. Gather.
What is going on, bro? Just monsters came out of nowhere? Ethan's hands messed up? This guy's drunk?
Great ones, hear our voice. Together as one in reverence, we call on thee within the endless dark to deliver us into fate's hands. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, so we make our sacrifice and await the light at the end. In life and in death, we give you glory, Mother Miranda. Now, the tea should be ready. Come help me, Elena, please.
That prayer. I've heard it before. There was an old woman near the graveyard.
You mean the hag? As crazy as a bag of rats.
There is wisdom in her devotion, though. And I hope it protected her as it shall protect us.
What are you doing?
Leonardo, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Let's turn into one again. Yo, what the? That turned out to be a werewolf.
Elena, no, stay back!
No, let me go!
He'll kill us both! We have to go!
I have a gun. Why don't I just shoot him? Jesus Christ. Of course he does.
Let him go!
I guess it's the same as like being zombie. Once you get bit by
Elena?
one. turned into one.
I said no! Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Father.
My bro got sliced.
Hey, that wasn't your father anymore. You did the right thing.
It's on fire, man.
Elena, no! There's nothing you can do! Papa! This entire place is collapsing!
What is going on?
He was already gone.
Leave me alone.
No, we're getting out of here. Together.
You take your own fathers now.
I gotta get out of here.
You're telling me, man. Yeah, me too. Of course. Jesus, man. What's she doing? She's still over there? Come on, something in here, anything good? What's this? Money? I'm stealing now? I'll rob it from them, but well, I mean, they are dead though. Truck key. Yeah, I know. Screwdriver. Okay. Money does up all the lines. Fade her off. This is stuff. The house is burning on fire. Got a blast. This is crazy, bro. Alright.
If we could just get through this wall.
Yeah, if only. And girl, what are you doing?
Damn, the fire's moving fast.
Oh, I don't hurry up. We can. Oh, truck key. It still works. How did it fit in here? It's not a garage.
What are you thinking?
Step back. We can bust out with this.
How about you just get in? Walls? The rearview mirror's all blurry. What the heck?
Ethan, are you alright?
I'm fine. Let me back up again.
The fire. There isn't any time.
What's going on, bro?
Nowhere to go but up.
Dirty. Let's go. Let's get out of here, man.
Grab on. Hurry.
It's crazy, man. Whole village is just turning apart.
Let's move. Don't worry. And try not to breathe in the smoke.
I know. Thank you, Ethan. You're kind.
Go, get out of my way. You'll survive.
I hope your family is safe.
I do too. Once we get out of here, maybe you'll get to meet them.
Down. Come on, help me move this.
That'd be good.
Help me move this. Hello. Okay, oh, never mind.
Come on. It'll hold.
Man, I really hope she doesn't die, man.
There.
That's pretty cool.
That's our way out.
Thank God.
But
But what then? The village is still full of monsters. We can't fight them. There's too many.
Hey, don't talk like that. We'll find a safe house to put you in until I can find my daughter. My hunch is she's in that old castle.
No. That place is full of nothing but blood and death. And I don't want to be alone while you're... Father?
still following them? Oh my god.
Elena, no.
She's gonna...
That's not him. Not anymore.
He said my name. Father!
Wait, it's not safe. Stay there.
Oh no.
Come on. Give me your hand.
He's gonna grab her.
Ethan, go! Save your daughter!
Elena, don't give up. Reach for me. God damn it.
Oh my. I just said it, man. Jesus.
Why is everyone dying on me?
Exactly. Ethan, I feel the same way, bro.
This is just too much.
Damn, man. Everyone's dying. Everyone. You hang on Ethan, won't last long.
I just don't get it. This place has gone mad.
Let's do that again.
Why the fuck is this happening again?
That doesn't hurt. His hat was
Shit!
cut off. That would hurt. But before it gets the meat. I understand this. Be upset, man. I'll be upset too. I'll be going crazy right now. Oh, okay. So now I have to go get the other crest. I have a screwdriver now. Can I get out of here? And we have the other we have a screwdriver. Can I please get out of here, please? What's this? Ah. This is after I said it. Screwdriver.
Death. Yes. Death has visited them all.
Okay. And no one's attacking you? Why? Alright, lady, you do you. I'm gonna go ahead and put a crest in there and go get my little girl and get out of this village. Ridiculous, man. It's crazy, man. This crest never opened this door. With the castle.
Nothing but blood and death. Huh?
There was no door for the castle. You just walked right in. And you're at the wine cellar. Where's Chris at in all this?
Well, well.
Excuse me?
Didn't think anyone was left. You must be pretty tough. Huh.
Excuse me?
Who the f are you?
Exactly what I was gonna say.
Oh, you're not local. Even better.
What the?
Mother Miranda's gonna love you.
What? What is happening? There's so much happening at once. That'd be full of cocks.
Wait, you're whining. We're almost there.
I'm guessing he's not a good guy. It's crazy, man.
The man is of no real use to anyone else, and my daughters do so love entertaining foreigners. Furthermore, I can assure you if you entrust the mortal to House Dimitrescu, my daughters and I will deliver to you the finest.
Way ugly! I want to see! He's away!
What? Where?
You mean you'll screw around with him in private, and where's the fun in that? Give him to me, and I'll put on a show that everybody can enjoy.
Ugh, so gauche. What do we care for bread and circuses? The man thinks suffering is assured.
Yak, yak, if a man's is cut off in the castle, blah, blah, blah.
What?
I've heard all your arguments. Some of you were less persuasive than others, but I've made my decision. Heisenberg, the man's fate is in your hands.
Mother Miranda, I must protest. Heisenberg is but a child, and his devotion to you is questionable. Give the mortal to me, and I will ensure he is ready.
Shut your damn hole! And don't be a sore loser! Go find your food somewhere else.
Quiet now, child. Adults are talking.
I'm the child. You're the one who's arguing with Miranda's decision.
You wouldn't know responsibility if it was welded
Oh,
to
keep
that
growing! One day your head might actually fit your ego!
Hey, don't I get a say in this?
Silence! My decision is final. There will be no argument. Remember from whence you came.
Thank you.
What the?
Lycans and gentlemen, we thank you for waiting. And now let the games begin.
Let's see what you're doing. Ethan Winters.
Get ready.
For what?
No, wait!
10, 9, 8, 7,
What?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Showtime. I have to run now? Oh no. Oh no.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my god, those.
That's right. Run for your life.
What is going on, bro? Oh, please no. Bro, this is crazy, man.
Very nice, Ethan.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy. Is that him? What the? He survives all this? Oh, they just died? Oh. What is going on? What was that creature? That little dolphin? What is going on?
You're still alive?
Uh-oh, the spikes, of course. Why can't you have a castle without spikes, you know? See a hole right here. I'm gonna go. Oh, come on, let's go. Oh, got this. Oh.
My word. You truly are as strong as they say. Oh, you didn't think I'd let you get away. Gotta keep Dada and Moreau entertained.
Oh, look at those.
So now it's time for the beautiful,
I wasn't looking.
the blood-soaked grand finale.
No.
Nothing like fresh American ground beef.
Yo, I found the hole by accident.
Too close.
That is crazy. I was just backing up.
Do those freaks have rows?
There's a hole right there, yo, in the back left, and I found the hole, guys. Oh my god, I was so scared. Oh, I got my weapon still. Yo, what the? It's too much. This is too much right now going on at once. That's awesome. This game's pretty good. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, that should have hurt me. That was crazy, man. Freaking scary doll, bro. I would have PTSD so hard right now. That's Ethan. I think that's the way I came from. Ah, this way. I would do all that just to get back to where I first came from. I wonder, so what if Lady Miranda is Mia? Yeah, guys, just saying, could be possible, it could be Mia. It'd be a definitely twist for sure if that was to happen. So keep our eyes peeled for that, you know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. Imagine though, if Mia is in the end, but why do that now, you know? I don't know, but we got to see.
I've been waiting for you, Mr. Winter.
Who's this guy?
How do you know my name?
Anyone who is anyone has heard of the likes of you. A hero searching for his daughter. Though I must say, that castle arouses suspicion.
Yeah? And so do you.
I am but a humble merchant.
Here?
Oh, forgive my manners. Call me the Duke. Now to business. Weapons, ammunition, healing salves, anything you desire, I can provide.
Ah. There's a shop merchant, just like there is in Resident Evil 4.
Ah, yes, yes. This is all an investment. Have a wonderful adventure.
Okay then. That's okay. So you can buy weapons, you can upgrade them, you can sell weapons to him too. I wonder if I wasn't around, then who would be buying from him, you know? That's Resident Evil 4 vibes, guys, for you. You know, it's crazy. I guess he'll be around the, he'll probably be around the area.
Could Rose be here?
Castle de Rescue. This is the vampire lady. So you guys, January 5th. Red Nick, delivery of 1 male, females. January 28th, Mother Miranda, meeting with Mistress Devistricu. I have to remember the name. February 1st to do business discussions. So it's a book of like calendar, I guess, of like what's been going on. Damn, this one suck reading, man. Think about it. Past the angels, blinded gaze.
Looking for Rose?
I'm trying to run away from these girls, man. Vampire girls? What's going on? Ah! The
Man blood.
vampire girls? Hurt. Oh, both his legs, yo. This game is just everywhere right now, man. He's not in pain.
Mother, I bring you fresh prey.
You are so kind to me, daughter.
She's tall.
Now, let's take a look at him. Well,
There's 3 of them.
Well, Ethan Winters. You escaped my little brother's idiot games, did you?
Her little brother?
Let's see how special you are.
Yes, Mother.
Yes, Mother.
Ow! What? Vampire.
Starting to go a little stale.
Then let's devour his man flesh quickly, Mother.
I am the one who captured him.
Now, daughters.
Wow.
First, I must inform Mother Miranda. But later, well, there will be enough for everyone.
She's so tall, yo.
Put him up.
Oh wait, I'm sitting down.
Hey, wait.
He is suffering.
Oh, be careful what you wish for, Ethan Winters.
Why does everyone hate this guy so much? What the
Wait.
Just abducting under the door, did you see that?
What are you doing?
Got blood on the carpet. How am I gonna kill them? They're all moths. Which for a shooter. Ah, they escaped now. There's a lever right there. Yeah. How do you even begin to take it out? Oh, you ripped his hand like that? Oh, that's the only way you can do it though. Ew, bro. Oh my god, ripped his freaking hand out.
You crazy witches.
This is crazy. Put it on both hands. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this that heals him. Jesus. Ripped them both off, yo. He ripped his hand out, man. That's crazy. Yep, I know that. I can't move, can't I? Come on, use the lever right there. Oh, it's crazy, bro. Maybe I have to go here first. Make sure it's locked. Oh. Bro, I have no words for this game, man. That's intense. This guy, man. You thought Resident Evil 7 was intense? This guy's going through way worse stuff in this one. This is years later. And he's got military experience, and he still has to go through scrap. That's crazy, man. Also, it was nice to come to life because they do another game. Typical castle vibes. Okay. Look at everything you got, girl. Those knights better not come to life, I'm telling you. I feel something moving, my controls vibrating. Why is that vibrating?
Where have they taken Rose?
Ah. There's no... I'm looking for a typewriter. I guess now we're going upstairs. I mean, there's something else. And... Hello? I've been looking for a typewriter, but I can't find nothing. I should have known what it says. Can't use as is. That's crazy. What's an actual eye now? They're back already? The girls? First one out to kill? Ow! We have to run away from her.
I haven't cut open a man in a while.
We have to run away from her.
Let me string you up. Sliced.
She's after me, guys.
You're taken alive, dead. Which would you prefer?
Neither. Here we go again.
You will look wonderful mounted in our hall.
Over here.
Yes. Yes. Good boy.
Oh, okay.
I can't hold back.
Here we go again. So yeah, the bullets were not effective, so we gotta find another way, and it was in the same room as before. I just didn't see the. Okay, we had time to talk. June 9th, 1958. It was my first day working at the castle today. I was most shocked to see all the staff were all women. The mistress and her daughters were very adamant that they wouldn't bite. It was quite peculiar. It's been 2 weeks since I started working at the castle, and I am a little afraid. Another maid, Adela, made a mistake, and Miss Daniela slashed her face with a knife. And at night, I can hear wailing as a ghost roam. So I don't want to go home. Or I want to go home. I don't know what to do. The young ladies were complaining it was too hot and stuffy during dinner, so I opened the window just a crack. Shut it now, they all shrieked at me in unison. I fear I may be taken down into the cellar, never to be seen of again. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay, well, she got me once. Just not with a bite. And I don't know what to do now either. Everything's hidden. You need to really explore. Especially there, when they're chasing you, it's difficult. Hey, Dermiscu. Dermiscu? She's like, what, 9 feet tall? She's tall, yo, that chick. she's gonna be one of the bosses. I'm pretty sure there's multiple bosses in this game. I look up the door she went through. I'm gonna go around. Okay. Now what? Trust in light. If I push this, can I push this over this way? Torch puzzle. Where did he find his flashlight? I never saw that. Oh no. That's just somewhere? Oh no, bro. Oh no. What's that? Oh, okay. Guess there's enemies down here. Likely in the dungeon. I heard the gate open. I'm gonna keep a shotgun on me just in case. No, you know what? I want to save this gift that vampire lady because her daughter, whatever that is, because you never know. Candidates: Irina, Michaela, Louise, Ingrid, rejects. All these names. I guess that's for her to be her daughter. Wow, torch device is nice. All right. Finding my way around this dungeon. Nothing here I need. Alright, let's keep moving. I hear somebody. Some more freaking vampire. So the wolf's keeping them at bay? Or is Lady Miranda the wolves at bay or what? Okay, metal scrap. Just... Oh. Where? Where? There you are. Oh, what is that thing? Uh-oh. Jesus Christ. Oh. Pipe bomb. Okay, I kind of wasted it. But, oh, place, money. Here to my left, yep. I'm out. Oh. 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 Stairs. Up the stairs, baby. There's too many of them. Family photo. I'm surprised they're not following me upstairs, but yeah, I'm not dealing with that, bro. And where's the other girl that she's lost? The vampire woman?
I can't believe Cassandra caused all this mess.
Can you leave me alone, please? Stairs. Stairs.
You're tonight's main dish.
I'd rather not be tonight's main dish. Thank you very much.
Where are you going, little one?
Oh, I think that light hurts them. I think that's why the girls mentioned that earlier.
Bullets cannot harm.
The light can though.
You stupid man thing!
This Matthew has something for the baby.
I feel no pain.
Oh. She got me good though. Shut up. Okay. Die. I'll kill one of them. So light affects them. Can't go on the light. That's what she screamed at them. At the person wrote the note down. That was pretty easy. But she killed me last time. It's not cool. Just trying to freaking shoot her everywhere, and I was working on the whole place. All right. Now, I'll use pick. I don't have a pick. We're compensated. Sell these items. That's pretty cool. There was even before then. Bro, where is the typewriter? Why did you tell me to take pictures of it? No, nobody can tell me. Alright, fine. That family photo ain't gonna open doors up, Ethan. Just saying.
Oh, we meet again.
Duke, why are you here?
Where there's coin to be made. And have you found your daughter?
No.
If she is truly here, the lady of the castle would have kept little Rose in her private chambers, would she not?
Domitresk?
The very same. Why don't you take a look? Maybe you'll get lucky. And speaking of looking, care to make a purchase?
Alright guys, we're gonna end the game here. I'll add no words. So, see you guys in the outro. So, this game's going 110 miles an hour and I love it. It's just so much going on at once. Hopefully we see more of E.T. Winters and the castle next episode, for sure. Thank you so much guys for being subscribed. Thank you so much guys for watching as well. If you want to see more content like this, as you guys know, you can go here or here and should be somewhere in this area and you can see more content like this. Alright guys, I'll see you next episode and latest.